So what do we mean when you have a weak spleen? Well, weak spleen means that it's not able to transform and transport, uptake the nutrients that you receive. The food that you eat goes into your stomach, it's digested, and that's where it's transformed, and then it's taken onto the spleen. And from there, the nutrients are uptaken, they are taken up into the body and transported around so that we can actually receive the energy from the food. But if the spleen and the stomach, if they are low in energy, then you can find that the food just sits there, it doesn't get digested, and a little bit like a damp log, it's very hard for the fires of the stomach to burn and really transform the food. So what we want to do is we want to release the dampness, and we want to ignite the stomach fires and the spleen fires so that they warm everything up and move the energy better around the body.